USDJPY and Euro USD price analysis. Market is about to move upward on the Euro USD chart from this very point where you see support at this area. I am expecting from here market should move all the way to the upside for another buy opportunity on Euro USD, and for USDJPY market is going to collect liquidity from this very point of important support right here, which is what I am expecting in this very scenario before the next movement to the upside. I'll be talking about all of these and how you should position yourself in the next days of trading. So pay attention and watch this very video all the way to the very end. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about Forex, day trading and investing strategy to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more Forex videos like this. Also check the channel for other educational content and Forex videos. On the one-day chart USD/JPY, if you look at this very area, this is a very important level of support. Support right at this point. Don't support at this area. Market is going to move upward, but before we see that movement upward, this very week is the CPI data, and that is going to change the reaction in the market for sure. I am very sure of that. And for that CPI data, the market is going to move upward. But before the CPI data, I am expecting that the market move down. Okay, collect liquidity from here or move down into this very point, not going below this very low we see at this very area. Then from here, we will see the market move upward for a good buy opportunity, a counter trend buy opportunity on USDJPY. This is what I'm expecting right now. What that means is, if you have been selling the market, just like I've been talking about selling the market on USDJPY, think about exiting your position within this very zone where the market is right now and this very area of important support. Within this point, we're going to see the market begin to go back to the upside for a good retracement before continuation downward, and that is what you need to be watching right now on your chart. This is very important. Once liquidity is taken off the market from this very area, then we're going to see the market begin to move to the upside. And another key thing you need to pay attention to, which is very critical right here, is the stochastic RSI. If you look at it, market is coming back down, so we have this sequential move to the downside from this very point to this very area. Okay, and on the indicator from this very point to this very area, so market is coming down in this formation, so market is going to move downward. And for us to verify that market is going to move upward, we must wait and see the market break this level of important resistance. So market have to come back down, like I said, collect liquidity and break this level. Once we see a breakout right on this very point, then it is the right time for the market to begin to move upward on USDJPY. This is very important right now. Don't just trade according to what you are seeing on your chart, not following indicator. This indicator should further confirm what we are doing on the chart right now. So pay attention to market moving all the way to the upside after liquidity satisfaction around this very level of important support, and this is what I am personally looking at right now on my chart. And for the 4-hour chart, if you look at the 4-hour chart right here, almost the same thing, but you discover that the market is already at overbought condition on the 4-hour chart stochastic RSI indicator. And what that means is market have capacity of coming back down a little bit. I am expecting the market to just come back down gradually from this very point where the market is right now. Market should come back down, possible liquidity grab and satisfaction from this area, and then market is going to move upward. Once you see a breakout on this very level of resistance trend line from the one-day chart, then it is guaranteed that this market is going to begin to move upward. That is when we will begin to look for buy opportunity on USDJPY. From that time, we see this breakout onward, and I'll be updating you on this very channel as well. So always pay attention and watch for this very update. And for Euro USD, if you look at Euro USD at this very point, market is coming back down. But one important thing that I talk about here is the fact that market have to retrace, because market has been moving upward from this very point. Market move upward, we have retracement, market move upward, retracement, market move upward. So retracement is needed for the next movement to the upside. So if you use the Fibonacci retracement tool, from this very point of impulse where the impulse started, that's the last leg of the impulse, then from this to this very area, you discover that the market is gradually coming back down into the 0.882 level of the Fibonacci and the 0.50. So I am expecting the last move to just come back down a little bit to this very area within the 0.50 and 0.618, which you see retracement pulse within this very area. Okay, and then from here market is going to move upward. That is what I am now expecting from this very chart. And this is very important right now, because most time the market stop retracing at 0.50 and 0.618 at this very point. These are the two most important levels with the Fibonacci retracement tool, and that is where I am paying attention to right now. Market come back down a little bit before the next move upward, and I'll be updating you also on this very channel as well. This is so important right now. And if you look at the stochastic RSI 1 day, the market is already at oversold condition. So at oversold condition at this very point, market have high capacity of beginning to move upward. And once we see the blue line cross over the orange line and then they move above the 20% line at this very point, then it is a guarantee that market is going to move upward. Then we'll be looking for buy opportunity from this very area to the upside in line with the trend continuation. Because if you look at this very trend, market is moving upward from this very point. Market move upward, retracement, upward, retracement. Market is going to move upward, retracement is in right now, and then the next impulse is going to come in. That is when we're going to take a buy opportunity when the market begins to shift from this very area, breaking this 20% line on the stochastic RSI indicator. And this is very important right now. Pay attention to this on your chart and see how it aligns with your strategy. If you go a little bit down to the 4-hour chart on the Euro USD pair, you discover that the market is already at the oversold condition as well on the 4-hour chart. This is another confirmation that the market have high capacity of moving upward even from this very area where the market is right now. Remember, this is a very strong support. Why? Because we have market come back down here, support, move up a little bit, support tight at this point, market move up and then come to the same point of support. So possible movement downward, then from here, market will begin to move to the upside. So once liquidity is satisfied at this very point with significant move upward, I am going to guarantee that the market is going to begin to move upward from this very area, not minding the fact that market is already at oversold condition right now and have capacity of moving upward for a buy opportunity to the upside on the 4-hour chart Euro USD. So pay attention to this very pair, Euro USD 4-hour chart and 1-day chart. They are in proper alignment right now. So this is what you need to pay attention to right now as you begin to put this trade into consideration in your strategy for Euro USD and USDJPY. What do you think about this very market right now on Euro USD? Do you think the market is going to move upward, or we're going to see aggressive drop all the way to the downside to this very price level of 1.09358? Comment below in the comment section of this very video. If you like content like this, please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now and turn on the bell notification for more forex videos like this one. Also check the channel for other forex content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.